If you're broke, or maybe you just need a little extra passive income in your life, I need you to keep watching this video. If you're like most people that like to learn little ways on how to make money online, then you probably already have a job. Maybe you don't like the job, it probably does not pay you near enough, but you're looking for something just to supplement that income that you already have. And living paycheck to paycheck is no fun. Trust me, I know. I've been there, I've done that. You cannot fully enjoy your life and enjoy the freedom that you deserve living paycheck to paycheck. It's no fun not being able to go out to eat at a restaurant whenever you want. It's no fun not being able to afford going on vacation whenever you want. Now, the ultimate freedom comes when you figure out how to truly make a living just making money online, okay? And that does not come from all the little tips and tricks that you learn by watching YouTube videos. That's only gonna happen when you learn how to build a sustaining online business, one that runs on autopilot, one that's putting money into your account even while you're sleeping, even while you're on vacation, even while you're out eating with your girlfriend or boyfriend. That's the true freedom. You do not have to report to a job. You do not have to answer to a boss. And I'm telling you, because I was there, it only changed when I discovered how to create a sustainable online business. Now, maybe you've already tried to do that and you failed. Perhaps you tried drop shipping, which is a bad idea, by the way. Perhaps you tried affiliate marketing, which is a little bit better, but you better be good at knowing how to advertise on Google and possibly Facebook. And believe me, I've done all that, but I did take the time to teach myself how to advertise on Facebook and Google and how to set up a Shopify store, etc. It took me many hundreds of hours to get to the point where I was finally making money doing that. Well, if you're a beginner and you don't really have the technical skill or the time required to learn how to do any of that, then I've got the video for you. This is for beginners. Hey, teenagers, I'm talking to you. I'm gonna teach you how to set up a free and easy online business that once it takes off, once it's running, it's gonna run on autopilot for you. You're gonna make thousands of dollars every single day by doing nothing. So if you've got about 10 minutes to spend watching this video and it's worth it to you, then we're gonna take you through step by step on how to do this. But first, I want you to subscribe to Online Moneymaker, the channel you are watching right now, okay? Hit the red subscribe button down in the corner of your screen and like the video. And hey, let's get this started. Let's get you an online business, something that you can be proud of. Today, I'm gonna show you how to start a completely free and completely autopilot business using none other than Amazon. Now, don't get scared. Don't forget, I said this is 100% free. You will not spend a dime, and trust me, this is very easy. Anybody can do this. This is only a 3-step process. Very, very simple. If you have access to Amazon in the country that you live in, then you can do this. By the time you're done watching this video, you will know how to easily create an online business for yourself using Amazon that can last forever, and you can keep doing it over and over again. There will be no buying inventory whatsoever. Again, you will not spend a dime, no investment. You can honestly set this up within 10 minutes, and once it's set up, just let Amazon do all the work for you. All you gotta do is just collect the money, okay? I'm gonna take you through this step by step. I'm gonna show you exactly how this is done. So let me just quickly explain how Amazon works. If you wanted to sell a physical product on Amazon, you could absolutely do that. But let's take these earbud headphones, for instance. If you wanted to sell these on Amazon, you could do it. All you would have to do is spend thousands of dollars buying a bunch of these. You would have to ship them to an Amazon fulfillment center and then hope to God they sell, because if they do not sell after a certain time, Amazon will not return this product to you. They will destroy it and you will take a huge loss. So that's a major risk. You don't want to spend thousands of dollars buying inventory up front that you're not absolutely sure is going to sell. And here's why. Here's the proof. Because if it doesn't sell, Amazon's not giving it back to you, okay? They're not going to take the time and the money to ship it back to you. They're going to destroy it, because when you go into business with Amazon, they make you sign a contract. Now, this is buried somewhere in the fine print, but there's no recourse for you. You cannot sue them. You are just going to have to take a major loss. A story comes to my mind right now. This happened to a man who owned a clothing store here in Los Angeles. During the pandemic, he had to shut his store down, so he thought a good idea would be to ship all his excess inventory to Amazon and have them sell it. Now, what he sent them was some very expensive items. I'm talking thousands of Hugo Boss suits, expensive men's clothing. Now, after a couple months, I'm not exactly sure how long, but when it didn't sell, they destroyed everything that was left behind, and this man, his life was ruined. He basically trusted Amazon with his life savings. He had his entire life invested in this inventory that he couldn't sell because of the pandemic. He trusted Amazon with it, and he got screwed. Therefore, we want to stay away from physical products. Those are way too risky. We want to focus on digital products, okay? Non-physical products, something that Amazon cannot destroy, and also something we can get for absolutely free. And there's no better digital product to sell on Amazon than ebooks. Ebooks for your Kindle, just downloadable books. These are massive sellers on Amazon. In fact, not many people know this, but Amazon actually started as a bookseller. When Amazon first started, all they sold was books. Now, with the advent of the Kindle and the iPads that people can take everywhere, most folks are not purchasing physical copies of books anymore. They're buying the downloadable version, and they're buying them from Amazon 9 times out of 10. And there's one niche of ebooks that is selling far above the rest, and that's how to make money. People want to know how they can make some easy money. In fact, you want to know how to make some easy money because you're watching this video right now. Well, you're the smart ones, okay? These people, they gotta go find these ebooks and pay for them. They gotta pay to learn how to make money. They gotta pay for basically what this channel teaches you every day, ways to make money. Now let's take these two Make Money ebooks as an example. This one is $9.99. It has sold almost 5,000 copies. This one's $14.99. It's sold just over 9,000 copies, okay? Now I should tell you that Amazon does keep 30% of the profits. You keep 70%, but you can still do the math. In fact, let's do the math right now on this one. This Principles by Ray Dalio. So we can see that Ray has priced his ebook at just about $15. Now he knows that he's gonna make 70% of every one of these that sells, which comes out to approximately $10.50, okay? So he's making $10.50 for everyone that has sold. Now so far, it has sold 9,218 copies, which means that Ray Dalio has made a total so far off this book of $96,789. That's not bad. Now, we can see that this was uploaded to Amazon on September 19, 2017, which means this book has been on here for just about 4 years. So again, this is a set it and forget it system. This guy just uploaded this book to Amazon, and each year since he's done that, he has made $24,197 in passive income. He probably even forgot this book's even up here. He's just looking at his account once a month and saying, where the hell is all this money coming from? The great thing about these ebooks, number one, they're huge sellers, and number two, there's a way to get an unlimited supply of these for free. Now, once you have an ebook that you want to publish, you want to bring it right here to the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing website, which can be found at kdp.amazon.com. That's kdp.amazon.com. And this is the website that any author has to come to if they would like to publish their book onto Amazon. And it's 100% free to publish your book onto Amazon. Amazon only gets paid when you make a sale, and you can read about that right here. You keep up to 70% of the royalties per sale. Amazon takes 30%. Now, since we're not paying for anything up front, we're not paying for this service, we're not paying for inventory, who cares? Let Amazon take 30%, because once we publish our book onto Amazon. This is a set it and forget it system. You just sit back, let Amazon do the work for you. So yes, we will give them 30%, no big deal. And since we aren't paying for any of the ebooks we are going to publish and we take no risk, we can publish as many books as we want onto kdp.amazon.com. So as many books as you want to publish, that's just more money-making opportunities for you. Now, to do this, you do need to have an Amazon account. So if you don't already have an Amazon account, you need to create one. Then you need to come back to this website and sign in with your Amazon login information. Now, I'm sure your next question is, where do I find all these free ebooks? How do I get this unlimited supply of inventory that I'm going to make money on using Amazon? Well, for that, we're just going to go right to Google, okay? And you're going to type in. Before we get there, make sure, if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Online Moneymaker, okay? Make sure you like this video, and when you subscribe, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you will not miss any of the content that we have coming in the future, all the tips, tricks, and hacks to make easy money online, from home, from anywhere in the world. Subscribe to Online Moneymaker. We appreciate that. Thank you very much. And now that you've done that, just go to Google and type in free PLR download. That's free PLR download. PLR stands for private label rights. And what that essentially means is that the public is free to use anything you find under any of these categories. We can take any content that we find, and there's no copyright violation, there's no plagiarism violation. We take it, we publish it, we obtain the rights to that material. Well, as you can see, there are endless links that you can click on here and get these free ebooks, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we'll click on the first one right here. We'll just click on free PLR ebooks and see what they have. So just by clicking on that first link, we can see that there are thousands upon thousands of ebooks. See, there's pages and pages of these that we can download for free, and these come in all different niches, all different categories. You can also download free software and free videos, so you can also sell those on Amazon, okay? Don't forget that. But for this demonstration, we are sticking with ebooks, and you can type in any category you want right here. We are working with the how to make money niche, but if you want to go with something else, go ahead and do it. Just type it in right here, hit search, and something will come up. Now, right away, I can see we have one right here, the Super Affiliate Marketing Edges. This would be for affiliate marketers, which is another way to make money online. Now, don't worry about the cover art or anything else on these books, because once we download them, we're going to take them right over to another free website, which is going to customize all that for us. They can even put your name on as the author. So once you find the book that you'd like to download, it's very simple. Just click on the title right here, and it will direct you to this page where if you scroll down, you can see that you can easily download it with the push of a button. So all you got to do is hit download. It will appear on your computer at the bottom. You can drag that over to your desktop if you like, and then it's ready to go. Simple as that. Your next step is to come back to Google and type in designrr.io. That's designrr.io. And this is the homepage of designrr.io. This is a great website. These people specialize in customizing everything for you, like Amazon Kindle books and whatever this stuff is, YouTube channels, I guess. It's basically a done-for-you service to completely customize your content, okay? And see right here, ebook creators. And this is how it works. You just download your book that we got off one of those free PLR websites. And we don't need to review the draft, we're just assuming it's good already, but then we can just choose a template for the cover. They have ready-made templates for you. You can also import your own if you're the artistic type. Do a little more tweaking, like add your name as the author, etc., etc. And that's basically it. Then they download it for you into the proper format for Amazon Kindle. Now what you need to do here is just scroll down, and you want to push get started right here, and you will see that this is a paid service. However, you do get a 7-day free trial. So what you're going to want to do is click on this, okay? You're going to get 7 days to download as many books as you can into Amazon. And if you start selling a bunch and making a bunch of money, then you can go ahead and pay for the service. But if not, just cancel it. This is a no-risk situation for you. You have 7 days to take what I'm teaching you in this video and get as many books into Amazon as possible to increase your chances of making a lot of autopilot money. Once your book is ready to go, just get back over here to kdp.amazon.com, log in with your Amazon account information, and when you want to upload your book, all you need to do is click right here where it says Kindle book. Just hit that and you can just drag the file right in. You'll be asked to title the book and you will be asked to name a price on the book. And from there, just do that as many times as you possibly can. Let it ride and watch the money come in. The next thing you need to do is subscribe to Online Moneymaker and like this video. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of the upcoming videos with all the valuable tips, tricks, and hacks to make money online, from home, or anywhere in the world. Thank you for watching Online Moneymaker.